In the 1970s, there was a revolution on wheels. Forget muscle cars. A new breed of Italian stallions arrived, led by the legendary Tomaso Pantera. This wasn't just a car, it was a rolling work of art, a symbol of European performance and timeless design. Imagine cruising the Italian Riviera, wind whipping through your hair, the throaty roar of the engine a symphony of power. The Pantera wasn't just about speed, it was about a lifestyle, a sense of arrival. The Pantera's design is pure Italian magic. From the low-slung, wedge-shaped profile to the pop-up headlights and hidden door handles, every curve screams sophistication and aerodynamics. Let's talk power. Under the rear deck lid lies a 5.8-liter Ford Cleveland V8. It growls, it snarls, it's the heartbeat of this beast. The ZF 5-speed manual transmission dances with precision. The Pantera grips the road like it's hungry for corners. And that exhaust note? Goosebumps. My friends, don't be fooled by its beauty. The Pantera is a beast on the road. The powerful engine and exceptional handling make it a thrill to drive, hugging corners with precision and delivering exhilarating performance. This wasn't a car built for everyday errands. It was built for weekend getaways and unforgettable drives on scenic roads. Step inside the Pantera, and you're transported to a world of Italian luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece of leather and chrome, with a focus on the driver experience. It might be a two-seater, but the Pantera prioritizes comfort. The sculpted seats hold you firm during spirited driving, while the well-placed controls make everything feel intuitive and within reach. Owning a Tomaso Pantera isn't just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. It's a symbol of an era when style and performance collided in a way that has never been replicated.